Hey everyone, welcome back to my portfolio. Today I invested $250 into stocks and ETFs, and I'm going to go through those with you and show you what I bought. If you're interested in weekly content where I update and upload videos every single week on my purchases and sales, please like and subscribe to my channel as it really helps me out. So if we start off with our overall look, this is the first week that I have been down in my portfolio. It's been in the green. I invested at the start of the year and it was on a bit of a bull run. I just saw green and now I finally am seeing some red. So overall I'm down 1.37%. I've lost $35. My 3 month, $35. My 1 month, this is where it starts to really crumble. I'm down $96, which is 3.6%. The last week, $60, and that was about 2.2%. And today I'm down $24. So these are my current stocks and ETFs. I have 22 shares of JEPI, 7 shares of SCHD, 2 of which I bought today using a limit order. 13 shares of Intel. As I'm sure you're all aware, Intel have just slashed their dividend by 66%, and I'll cover that shortly. Armor Residential, 35 shares. Again, they just slashed their dividend by 20%. Amazon, 1 share. Google, 2 shares, 1 of which I bought today. 3 shares of AT&T and a $5 investment from one of my referrals, which I will keep in my description. And I invested that into Microsoft. So if we go over to the history of my portfolio and we see the today I bought a share of Google for $89.69. It was under 90. I already had 1 share which I bought for about $94, so $1 dollar cost averaged on that. And Google, I feel I'm going to make some money on that down the line, hopefully. SCHD, now I'm starting to become a bit more confident actually placing limit orders for my my buys, especially SCHD. I did this a couple of weeks ago, so I did it again today. I bought another 2 shares of SCHD and I filed a limit order for $74.50, which came through very early in the morning. I think I placed it just as the market opened, and within 3 minutes it hit. So I was pretty chuffed with that. I think I got that for a pretty good price. And then with my remaining $11.31, I threw that into JEPI, an ETF that I'm really using for a lot of dividend income. And I'm hopefully going to start using JEPI and SCHD together to really bolster this portfolio. And if we go over to the dividends, I have a $3.50 dividend pending from Armor Residential. They did pay 10 cents a share. I bought 35 shares. They've just slashed their dividend 20%, so now it's 8 cents a share. But I'm not too mad about that because my average price on that stock was $5.75, and it's currently $5.60. So down the line, I think once it gets into the green, I'm going to sell it and probably invest in something a bit safer. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. You've got to make mistakes to learn, and I think my mistake here was investing into Armor Residential. But is what it is. Intel, again, I thought it was a solid company. I thought that the brand, the name was so strong that it was just going to be a great asset to me in my portfolio. They just slashed their dividend 66%. I have 13 shares. Again, I bought this at a really low price. I think my average cost was about $26. It's about $25 right now. But the dividend I'm expecting for my 13 shares is $4.75, and that's at 36 cents per share, which now they've slashed it 66%. I think it's coming in around 12 cents a share. And then my Microsoft, my referral that somebody used my link. Again, if you want to use Robinhood as a platform like me, I feel like the interface is great for beginning investors like myself. I will leave a referral link in the description. You click on that, get yourself a free money that you can invest into a handful of stocks. With the referral link, I had about $5 and I invested it into Microsoft, and I'm already getting a cent back. So that is great. Now, if we go over to the portfolio here, I'm just going to run through Intel. I mean, as you can see, it's $25 a share right now. My average cost is $26.80. So my total return is, I'm down $22. It's not horrific. I mean, if I bought them back in, I mean, you can see up here the last year, and $50. That's why I bought the stock. I thought, do you know what? It's hit 50 before. It's gone down. It's going to go back up. I'm going to make some money along with the dividends. But that was quite an amateur mistake on my part, and hands up. And I also, here's my Google position. So my average cost now is $92 for 2 shares. I'm down $5.50 on that. Again, I feel like it's going to go up. I'm really confident in Google. I'll keep hold of it and see where it goes. I think I will add more to that position. And yeah, SCHD there, 7 shares, total market value of $525. My average cost there of $26, so I'm down about $8.50 on that. And my JEPI, which is the largest position in my portfolio at 46%, I have an average cost of $54.82. It's currently below $54, and I'm down $20 on that. So yeah, that's a run through. I do this weekly. So thanks again to everyone who subscribed and liked the video so far. I will continue to do this every single week. And if you're new to the channel and you're really interested in learning, or I say learning, like seeing what I'm doing, I'm not a financial advisor. But yeah, like and subscribe. Again, weekly videos, and I will keep you all updated with everything I do. If you've liked the video and you have comments on what I bought, what I hold, what you're buying, please drop a comment in the comments section. I'll try my best to reply back to every single one. So yeah, thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you next week.